What is up everyone, welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm gonna be sharing with you a new premium room on Vmos Pro with the SS Google Play Store working perfectly, Xposed the installer as well working. The link will be available on the description of this video, you can download it from there. So let's get started. But before we get started, I wanna ask you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification to get notified by a new video, and let's get started. So as I just said, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new premium room on Vmos Pro with the SS Google Play Store. It's gonna be working perfectly. Xposed the installer as well. It's going to be working. It's gonna be a light version of the Vmos Pro. It's gonna be with Android 7.1.2. The link will be available on the description of this video. So let's get started by downloading the application. I'm gonna be using this version of the Vmos Pro. The link will be available on the description also of this video. The link of this application will be available on the description of this video. I'm gonna be using this version of the Vmos Pro a 1.0.0. The link will be available on the description of this video. As I just said, download the app, install it on your Android device. Once you have this application, the Vmos Pro installed on your Android device, what you're going to do next, you are going to download the file, the ROM. I'll give the link in the description of this video also. You're gonna be downloading the ROM that I'm going to be sharing with you. The link will be available on the description of this video. Alright, download the file. The link will be available on the description of this video. The ROM. Once you have the ROM downloaded on your Android device, what you're going to just to open the application, the Vmos Pro. Okay, on the first time you open this application, it's gonna be asking you to give the permission to the application. Go ahead to give it all the permission to the app. Allow everything. Don't need to worry about it. The application, it doesn't have a virus. It is 100% safe. Okay, so I have already installed the ROM on the Vmos. I'm gonna be showing you how you can. My case, I'm just gonna click right over here. It's a virtual machine. Clicking on it. By doing that's gonna be at this window because I'm not connected on internet. You don't need to worry about it. It's not needed a internet connection. Just click right over here in this three dots right over here in the corner to proceed. Clicking on it. By doing that, you will have this. By doing that, you will have this three option. What you're going to do next, just click on the first one or the second one. First of all, click on the first one if you want to recover a virtual machine. With this first option, you're gonna have to move the file, the ROM, to the Vmos folder. You're gonna do just like this. You're gonna create a new folder on your internal storage. This one over here, and name it as Vmos Pro, as I did right over here. And on the Vmos Pro folder, you're going to create a new folder and name it as backup. You're gonna put the ROM on the backup folder. All right. Okay, just open the Vmos and click on the first option, recover a virtual machine. By doing that, you will have there the ROM on the Vmos. What you're going to just click on it, and the Vmos Pro will start recovering the ROM. Okay, so if you don't want to do that, just click on these three dots, click on the second one, the second option, import a local ROM. Just click on it, and you're going to locate the ROM where you stored the ROM, and you just gonna click on it, and it will be installed on your Vmos. Easy and simple. Okay, I'm just gonna start this one over here just to show you. Just click on it. By doing that, the ROM will start booting up. Just wait a little bit. Alright, as you can see, the ROM has initialized. Pretty cool, pretty simple. It's a Lite Rom. It's gonna be with the SS, as I just said. The root is installed. Root checker, you can open the root checker to find out if you have root SS. Google Play Store installed, as I just said. It's installed right over here. Xposed the installer as well installed. Pretty cool, pretty simple to install. What do you have to do? First of all, you need to make some change on this ROM. Click on the setting icon of this ROM. This one over here, clicking on it. The ROM, it is in Portuguese. You can change it to the English. Just click right over here on this icon. Adicionar un idioma, which is saying add a language. And by doing that, you will have there a lot of language. You can select the one that you want to apply to your ROM, and it's gonna be applied easily. Alright, we have changed the language. Scroll down to the last option. We need to activate the developer option. To do that, just scroll down to the last option about emulated device. Scroll down one more time. You need to find the build number. Clicking on build the number around 7 times to activate the developer option, which is the last option. Okay, on developer option, you're going to disable this option. On developer option, everything you're gonna disable. If it is enabled, this option saying window animation key, make sure to turn off the animation transition animation, turn off the animation as well, animation transition, turn off animation as well. All right, make sure to enable this option saying 44x msaa, enable this one over here as well. Make sure to do that. Alright, here on background process limit, go ahead to click on it and make a mark this option a most true process. Okay, so by doing that, you will have the room working faster, working perfectly on your Android device with root access, Google Play Store working perfectly, Xposed the installer as well, installs working perfectly. Okay, if you want to import some file, if you want to install some applications, you click over here on the Vmos icon, click on it, and you will have this window where you're gonna be able to transfer some file to the Vmos. Click on it and you will have this window, and just select the application that you want to install on the Vmos, all the picture, all the music or something like that. Okay, so that's it for me. That was the video stuff from here. I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Activate the notification to get notified about new video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.